This how to 1 minute will show you how to check number of views on Blogger website. Follow these easy and simple steps to check your post views. Jump into your Blogger dashboard and select post. And here you will get your post views. Click on that and here you will get the chart of your post views. And to see more informations about your audience, then click on stats. And here you will get all-time views, today's views and monthly views. You can change the day from here. And here you will get the latest post chart. Scroll down. So this is how we can check views on Blogger. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.